Welcome to our products demonstration. Today we're going to introduce you to our new arrival, the Sedicioni oven. This oven is in an indirect cooking, and what that means is that the fire is placed outside the cooking chamber below this, and the smoke goes around the chamber at the chimney, so the heat generated by the fire heats up the cooking chamber on the outside, and the food will be inside the chamber without having any contacts with the smoke. The oven comes equipped with 2 trays that you can adjust the shelf at different heights and move the tray based on the height of the pan that you're using. The trays can be removed. The floor of the oven is a clay stone oven. You can cook pizza like any other oven. In this particular model, the door is on the wide side, so you'll be able to fit the trays side by side and remove them as needed if you have to remove one pan and keep another one inside the oven. In the market, when you see an oven in this particular shape, usually the door is on the side, on the narrow side, and it only fits one tray, and you will never be able to reach the back of the oven. This is a lot more functional because you can feed more food, and also you can actually remove any tray you want. The oven is equipped with a door that has glass. It has lights inside the oven, 2 lights, one on each side, and it has 2 fans. This is a convection wood burning oven. The fire gets placed below it in the chamber, and this is to remove the ashes. This particular model that we use comes in stainless steel and with the block accent. Is the model that we stock, and it's also goes with a lot of other outdoor kitchens. Mostly you have stainless steel appliances or a grill. The roof of this particular oven is also stainless steel and is very, very durable to the weather. Most of the time the roof takes most of the abuse. The oven can be placed on a cart as you see it. You move it any way that you want on the patio. The cart is used for placing the cooked food so it stays warm underneath. The oven is equipped with a temperature gauge and a timer. It also has a vapor valve. If you wanted to let the vapor that's in the food escape the cooking chamber, all you have to do is just pull this out. If you have a tray that has lots of water in it, if you're cooking pasta, you can let the vapor escape the cooking chamber. And this is also for the smoke. If you are cooking and you want to keep the temperature low, you just can adjust this, and this will block the smoke from going out in the flue pipe, and we keep the heat more contained, so it will be less. You don't have to add more wood. It's just a way of cooking when the oven is running out of fire. But this is a great oven that you have to master if you are cooking indirect, mostly to cook food like pasta or any other meat that you cook in a trays, but you can also use the oven to cook pizza. Thank you for your interest in our products. If you like to see our products in person, you may visit our showroom at 1015 West Jericho Turnpike in Smithtown, New York. We will able to answer any questions you have and demonstrate the Sedicioni oven for you. Thank you for following us.